Montreal is home to the world's largest underground city. It's known as the Réseau and has over 30 kilometers of underground tunnel connecting shops, restaurants,
Welcome to
metro
Mind
stations,
Travels.
and other public buildings. Today we'll be learning
Montreal
about Montreal,
hosted the Summer
a
Olympics
world-class
twice,
metropolitan
in
with a rich
1968
history
and
and dynamic
1976.
cityscapes. Did you know that Montreal is the second largest city in Canada with a metropolitan population of over 4.2 million? Montreal is also the most densely populated city in all of Canada and the third most densely populated city in North America. So, how much do you really know about this Canadian metropolis? Now, let's see where Montreal is located. You can find the city situated in the southern part of the province of Quebec in the North American country of Canada. The city is centered on the island of Montreal and a few, much smaller, peripheral islands. The city is 196 kilometers east of the national capital, Ottawa, and 258 kilometers southwest of the provincial capital, Quebec City. History. The area that is now Montreal was originally inhabited by indigenous peoples for many centuries before it was first settled by Europeans in the 1640s. The settlement was initially called Ville Marie after the Virgin Mary and was a part of New France. It was strategically located near the confluence of the St. Lawrence River and the Ottawa River, making it an important trading post for the fur trade. In the 17th century, the settlement grew to become the capital of New France and played a significant role in the 7 Years' War. Following the British victory in the war, Montreal became a part of the British colony of Canada in 1763. During the American Revolution, it served as a refuge for American loyalists. In the 19th century, Montreal became a major industrial and commercial center with the opening of the Erie Canal and the expansion of the railroad. It was the heart of the movement for Canadian Confederation in 1867 and continues to be an important cultural and economic hub of Canada. Demographics. Montreal has a fast-growing metropolitan population of 4.2 million people, making it the second largest metro area in Canada behind only Toronto. Montreal is also the most densely populated metro area in Canada. Within the city proper, there are 1.7 million people living in an area of just 596 square kilometers. That works out to a population density of 2,850 people per square kilometer. Compare this to Toronto, which has a population density of 5,600 people per square kilometer or 14,500 people per square mile. Outside of the city proper, the Greater Montreal area has a population of 4.1 million people. If you include the surrounding areas, the whole metropolitan region has a population of 4.2 million people. This makes it the second largest metro area in Canada with 10% of Canada's total population. Of the city's 1.7 million residents, 66% are Canadian, while the remaining 34% are foreign-born. In terms of ethnicity, 49% are of French origin, 22% are British, 16% are Italian, 9% are from other European countries, and 3% are from Asia. In terms of religion, 78% identify as Christian, 14% as having no religious affiliation, 5% as Muslim, 2% as Jewish, and 1% as Buddhist. When it comes to age, 16% of Montrealers are between the ages of 0 and 14, 76% are between 15 and 64, and 8% are over the age of 65. The median age is 41.6. In terms of gender, the city is 51% female and 49% male. Culture. Like the rest of Quebec, the culture of Montreal is heavily influenced by French culture due to the historical ties with France and the large French-speaking population. French is the dominant language spoken in Montreal, with 85% of the population as their first official language. English is the second most spoken language with 12%, followed by Spanish at 1.5%. Italian, Arabic and Chinese make up another 3% of the population. Despite being predominantly French-speaking, Montreal is known as one of the most bilingual cities in the world. In fact, the majority of Montrealers speak both French and English, although they may prefer to use one over the other. The city also has a significant number of people who speak other languages, including Spanish, Italian, Greek, Chinese, and Arabic. This linguistic diversity is reflected in the city's cuisine, music, art, and festivals. Montreal is considered to be the cultural heart of Canada and is renowned for its European-like urban feel. The city is divided into many different neighborhoods which each have their own unique culture. Some of the most well-known include Le Vieux-Port, Old Montreal, Latin Quarter, Plateau Mont Royal, Mile End, Downtown, Griffintown, Verdun, Nuns Island, and Point St. Charles. With such a large and diverse population, Montreal offers a wide variety of cultural attractions. Some of the most popular include the Montreal Museum of Fine Arts, the Montreal Science Centre, the Biosphere, the Botanical Garden, the Olympic Stadium, and Parc Jean Trappal. There are also many different festivals and events held in the city each year, including the Montreal Jazz Festival, the Just for Laughs Comedy Festival, the International de Jazz de Montreal, and Igloofest. If you're looking for a vibrant and diverse city with a European feel, Montreal is definitely worth a visit. In terms of religion, the majority of the population of Montreal identifies as Roman Catholic, followed by Christianity, Islam, Judaism, and Buddhism. Attractions. Montreal is full of amazing attractions. Some of the most well-known include Old Montreal, which is the historic area of the city and is home to many of Montreal's most iconic buildings, including the Notre Dame Basilica and the Bon Secours Market. Then there's the Montreal Museum of Fine Arts, which is one of the largest museums in Canada and houses a diverse collection of art from around the world. You can't forget about the Montreal Science Centre, which is an interactive museum that is perfect for families and science lovers alike. The Biosphere is another must-see attraction in Montreal. It is the largest museum in Canada and is dedicated to environmental issues. Other popular attractions include the Montreal Botanical Garden, the Olympic Stadium, the Notre Dame Basilica, the St. Joseph's Oratory, the Montreal Tower, the Underground City, the Chinese Garden and the Pointe-à-Calière, Montreal's Archaeology and History Complex. Weather. Montreal experiences a humid continental climate characterized by cold winters and warm summers. The average temperature in January, the coldest month, ranges from 7 degrees Fahrenheit to 19 degrees Fahrenheit. July is the warmest month with average temperatures ranging from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Montreal receives an average of 31.7 inches of precipitation annually, with snowfall averaging 51.4 inches. The weather in Montreal can be quite variable and temperatures can fluctuate greatly. Extreme weather events such as heat waves, cold snaps and ice storms are not uncommon. If you enjoyed learning about Montreal, stay tuned for more city videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep mind traveling.